This video will guide you through the major steps for installation and setting up the ADCS testbed. To connect the compressed air supply to the testbed, simply push the push-pull hose on the right and do the same steps for the hose on the left for the air source. After opening the valve on the left, use the regulator on the right to control the amount of the compressed air, approximately 4 to 7 bars. Once confirmed, proceed to open the valve on the right. This is the cage power switch. When the cage power switch is on, the green LED will be blinking, waiting for the cage connection, and the email LED will be on. Press email button to disconnect the cage power, and the email LED will be off. Release the email button to resume the power. To perform the power off completely, email button must be pressed and the cage power switch must be off. Thread the testing platform through the Helmholtz cage and place it onto the mechanical support at the center of the lead mechanism inside the Helmholtz cage. Utilize mounting screws to mount the upper weights onto the testing platform at 6 designated locations. Remove the anti-collision protective cover for the spherical rotor. Loosen the screws at the 4 designated locations on the testing platform as specified. The anti-collision protective cover for the spherical air-bearing rotor can be removed. Install 3U jig with 4 support rods and 4 mounting screws. Each bottom weight piece is designed with 3 grooves to slot properly on the platform support rod of the testing platform. Rotate the 3 nuts installed on the platform support rod downwards to secure the placed bottom weight piece. The calibration weight can be secured at the bottom of the platform using a single fixing plug. Rotate the control lever counterclockwise to release and lower the mechanical support to the bottom. Multiple silver rings are marked on the black cylindrical base of the mechanical support. The silver rings will sync when rotating the control lever to lower the mechanical support to its lowest position. Release and lower all the mechanical support while the compressor is applied with about 4 to 7 bars. The testing platform will be positioned properly to flow freely. This concludes our installation overview. Thank you for watching. For detailed instructions, please refer to the installation guide of ADCS Testbed.